G'day guys, it is the 23rd of August. It's Saturday morning. We are about to robe up and get ourselves to the Balingup Medieval Festival. So we're going to bring you guys along for the ride and show you heaps of really cool content today. It's a beautiful town. It's very cold last night. I was sleeping in the back of the car and the girls were in the tent at the top, but we survived. We've got sufficient blankets, but it does get damn cold. Alrighty, we are on our way to the festival. You can see that we're all in our garbs, looking tremendous. Alrighty, it is 12:13. We are in the queue. It's looking pretty big. So the girls went off and did some clothes shopping, looking out for jewellery and other little trinkets. I decided to check out the local cuisines and some of the alcohol that they were selling locally. Alrighty, we are in the little booze area here. I'm checking out some of the local brews. They got the apple ciders, the gins, wine. Yeah, I think I'm feeling a bit tipsy already. Might have to buy some apple cider, I think. But yeah, happy days. It's looking good. The Balingup Medieval Festival first began back in the mid-1990s. What started in 1995 as a small gathering outside the town hall quickly grew into something much bigger. By 1996, the festival had become a full-day celebration, and over the years it has evolved into the oldest and largest medieval-themed festival in West Australia. Today the streets of Balingup are transformed into a bustling medieval village, drawing thousands of visitors with its costumes, parades, artisan markets and unforgettable performances. It's still driven by local volunteers and neighbours who come together each year to keep the magic alive, making the event not just a spectacle, but a tradition that defines Balingup itself.
The booze, which I will be at very shortly. But above all else, we will burn the dragon as it is our tradition, ladies and gentlemen. Can I hear a roar? I look forward to joining you all around that fire tonight for a good drink and a dance. Balingup Carnival, thank you for coming and enjoy the festivities!
So after a tiring afternoon, I decided to head up to the tavern and sit down with a couple of local lads and have a few drinks. Of course, while I was at the pub, I forgot the main event, which was the night fights. It was the main reason I went there, but luckily the girls got their cameras out and got a few shots for us.
Making Australia great again. Victory to the Bears! Dead may ride. Meanwhile, the adults on the far side, Archangel and Kel, are hovering closer. Oh, it's a resurrection. Baby girl! Baby girl! Baby girl! Minnesota versus baby girl! Right on!
Then the night started to ramp up. I headed back to get ready for the main event, the burning of the dragon. One of the most spectacular moments of the festival is the burning of the dragon. As night falls, the crowd gathers under the stars and the atmosphere shifts from playful to electric. When the flames finally catch and the dragon is set alight, it's more than just a fiery spectacle. It's a ritual of transformation symbolising renewal, community and the spirit of celebration. So they say.
Once more, the original Queen Rose graced the land with her beauty, and the dragon's curse was broken.
Stay tuned for the next episode, and do us a favour everyone, hit that subscribe button. It's the best way you can support us right now. And if you want the updates on the latest releases, hit the bell button there for the notifications. Catch you next time. Thanks for visiting our channel.